Hello, and how is everybody today? Arthur Smith with We're the Smiths Oregon RV Living. Yesterday I put a video out about drying off the awning and a little bit about the generator operation, and there were some very good questions. So we're going to try and tackle those questions today. I went through the old paperwork, and this is the original awning from 1984. Uh, Now, there was a little bit of confusion because I had a vacuum cleaner out and I had it set on blow, and that was just to blow the heavier little bit of water that was on the underside of the awning down towards the end and just help it speed up to dry out a little bit. Excuse me. There's really not a whole lot of maintenance to these kind of awnings. Uh, and that's according to the manufacturer's paperwork that I have and what I've looked up online. You can wash them, and it's kind of important if they get kind of crusty. And you wash them with regular soap and water and a medium bristle brush, and you don't want to scrub too hard. They usually have a coating on them that helps prevent mildew. So you don't want to scrub too hard, you just want to get it cleaned up. Always allow it to air dry, and then you can put it away. Hopefully that answers some questions. The other questions that I got were about the generator. Now, let me walk down here real quick. This is an onboard generator. And let me get this opened up here and show you. There we go. Hopefully everybody can see that. Now, most of the maintenance on this, well, not most of it, but some of the maintenance on this you can do yourself. Basically, as per the manufacturer, and I've also talked to other RV owners, the generator should be exercised or ran under load at least once a month just to keep things working correctly. The generator part, the brushes, etc. As far as changing the oil should be changed after every 100 hours of operation. And I don't have the meter out here, the meter's in on the dashboard. This particular generator, which is also original to this coach, only has like 210 hours on it, which is nothing. This generator's just barely been broken in. It is very important, though, to do a pre-start check, which is check the oil, do a visual check, make sure all your wires and everything are where they need to be, and then you can go ahead and fire the unit up. Let me see. I made some notes here. Sorry. Let's see. Yeah. You should check the oil after 8 hours of operation. And I generally don't run this for more than an hour or maybe 2 hours when we're out without any place to plug in, just to charge up the batteries and do stuff like that. After 100 hours, of course, we mentioned changing the oil and make sure to check the air cleaner. And it's really hard to see back in there. I really can't show you too much. Most of the other maintenance on this type of a generator needs to be handled by somebody, a pro, basically, that knows what the heck they're doing. A boo-boo on something like this could be pretty costly. So you want to, take it in and have it checked out. Changing the oil on this is relatively easy, and I'm going to try and get a shot of this. I don't know if I can get this to work out. Let me give it a shot here. Let's see. All right, that's not going to cooperate, but I'm going to turn the camera this way, and this is where you would check the oil. It's got a small little dipstick on it. That's also the oil fill. Down here and up underneath is a valve to release the oil, and it drains out here. It's relatively easy, and I can't get a shot of it because it's kind of around back and underneath of the oil filter. You can pick those up usually at an auto parts store or a regular RV center, and it's relatively easy to do. So hopefully that answers most of your questions. Please throw in the comments any more questions if I didn't cover them, and I do appreciate you watching. And please like and subscribe, and try and help me keep this doggone channel going. And I do appreciate each and every one of you. Thanks for watching. This is Art Smith from, we're the Smiths, Oregon RV Living. Got a frog in my throat. Everybody have an awesome day. Thanks.